In this video, I'm going to show you how to train a machine learning model on Vertex AI. So whether you're using a AutoML for no-code or low-code training or custom training for advanced ML workflows. So Vertex AI supports two main training methods. The AutoML first, so this is a no coding required. Just upload your datasets and then Google Cloud trains the model for you. And then the second one is the custom model training. This is for the advanced users who want a full control over ML training using the frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. So in here, before training a model, ensure you have a Google Cloud setup ready. So you can click the My Project in order to create a new one or use a existing project of yours. So on the top right corner, click this new project and then give your project a name. So once you're done, just simply click the Create a New button. And on the notification bar, wait for your project to finish creating. So wait for it. So once it's done, select the project to activate it or to choose it automatically. As you can see in here, it automatically select your project. So now on the left corner, click the navigation menu and then click the APIs and services and then enable APIs and services. Now click on that. And then on the menu, on the search bar. So this is the search bar. So search for the Vertex AI. So as you can see in here, I've already searched it a while ago. Now select on that. So click on that and then wait for it to load up. So in here, click the enable all recommended APIs. So as you can see in here, it enables some features here in Vertex AI. Now, to activate the full features here in Vertex AI, you need to enable this billing to keep using Vertex AI API. So, unfortunately, I couldn't show you that steps. So listen carefully as I explain. So now, once the enable billing is done, or assumingly we have an access on that, or we finished this step, set your SDK first. Just install it to the command line of your computer. And now to train a model with AutoML, you can click the create dataset and upload your data and then select the AutoML and choose a model type like image classification, object detection, or text classification, or tabular regression or classification. So after that, click the train model and let Vertex AI do the work, and then once training is complete, deploy the model to make predictions. So now to train a custom model in Vertex AI, if you want to train a deep learning or custom ML model, you can use Vertex AI custom training features. So first, create a Python script for a model training. For example, train.py, and then example using a TensorFlow. And then after that, after creating your script, upload it to your Google Cloud Storage bucket. And then use the G-Cloud CLI to run a training job. And then once training starts, monitor logs. And after training, upload the trained model. And then to cloud storage and deploy it on Vertex AI model registry. And that's it. So Vertex AI makes model training easy. So whether you prefer AutoML or no code or custom training for full control, your model can be deployed and used for real-world predictions in Google Cloud. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.